I'll tell you.
India has milk.
Oh, come on.
Which air hostess do you find prettier?
First of all, I would say it's not about the dress, it's about the service.
What service are you offering?
Let me complete.
Welcome to Coffee Kalesh, a live comedy debate show where audience members share strong opinions which can cause कलेश.
What's your Kalesh?
अगर रोहन और क्राउड दोनों को आपका कलेश अच्छा लगे तो आप आओगे स्टेज पे and you get to defend your कलेश against the audience. अगर आप सक्सेसफुली डिफेंड कर पाए तो आप जीतोगे कैश प्राइज एंड अगर ऑडियंस में से किसी ने काउंटर कर दिया तो वो जीतेंगे कैश प्राइज. किसी ना किसी का बैंक अकाउंट तो बढ़ता ही है. All of this with your कलेश master Rohan over a cup of coffee.
Wait, what's your Kalesh?
Indigo is better than Air India.
Let's go. Get on stage. जोरदार ताली इसके लिए. Come on. What coffee do you want मेरे भाई? ठीक है भाई. Eurogum, you'll be very focused throughout the debate and तेरे को potty भी नहीं आएगी. Very good. It will give you a non-acidic high, which is the whole concept of an Eurogum. All right.
आज का कलेश.
All right. So you say Indigo is better than
Air India.
तो बोल रहा है उधर हगेगा. हाँ ठीक है. Let's see कि ये कहाँ हकता है and कहाँ नहीं हकता. Clearly Indigo is better than Air India.
Clearly.
Why do you think so?
The most on-time flights in India are of Indigo. Most of the time they're before time, I feel. And their services are better. Crew is better understanding. And the flights are cheaper. More number of flights running of Indigo.
Both have been in the news.
Yes.
Both have had problems with themselves.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Yes.
So you are saying ये सब जो पूरा fiasco हुआ,
Yes.
everybody getting delayed, all of these problems happening, all of that. How would you like to defend that?
At least we didn't crash.
You're saying nobody died.
Yeah, nobody died.
Nobody died and people were alive, but people are stranded, fucked.
The flights are not properly maintained. I feel whenever I flew Air India, the flights were a little duct taped together. And
जो कौन सी फ्लाइट में जा रहे तू?
bro, I kid you not, Bangalore.
Air India में फ्लाइट you felt कि it was like a duct tape.
हाँ, अब मैं बैंगलोर से I was flying from Bangalore to Varanasi. There were 3 air pockets and the seats were rattling. The paint from the seats are peeling off.
तो बेसिकली आप बोल रहे हो कि आप जिस एयर इंडिया फ्लाइट में गए वो एकदम टूटी रही होती
हाँ,
है.
एकदम बेकार.
एंड जब आप इंडिगो फ्लाइट में जाते हो वो एकदम वाह.
Yes.
ठीक है. ओके, वी हैव गॉट द इनिशियल पार्ट ऑन दिस कि इसको लग रहा है कि इंडिगो फ्लाइट्स आर सुपर वेल मेंटेन्ड एंड एयर इंडिया फ्लाइट्स आर जस्ट फक्ड. Who would like to go against it? Go, ma'am.
I'm with Air India. First of all, it's cheaper one. Second one, Air India free food देता है, which like for coffee also Indigo charges a lot. Air India is also very comfortable.
एकदम comfortably मर सकते हैं.
Exactly my point.
No, I think what he was meant, right, by saying that the crew is very nice. I think you are going by clothes only.
No.
Yeah, yes.
Let me. Hold on. एक second. I'll clarify a few things.
I think.
Which air hostess do you find prettier? Let's go.
नहीं.
कौन सी air hostess you found?
I'll tell you.
India has milk.
Oh, come on.
Shots fired. In the wrong direction. Anyway, go.
Yeah. So first of all, I would say about the crew thing. It's not about the dress. It's about the service they provide.
You're not able to change
What
anyways.
service are you offering?
Let me complete.
What are you opting for?
For example, the service is very quick. Whenever we call, अरे यार बोलने तो दो. Whenever you call the attendant, they're very quick to respond.
That's not our mistake. That's not our mistake.
Very quick.
They're very quick to respond to whatever you need. Like अगर पानी चाहिए होता है, sometimes you have a cough and all something.
They are quick to respond to आपका जो भी problems है.
Problems है.
Indigo Air India में वो जल्दी आती नहीं.
Like he said, meals तो बुढ़े हो चुके हैं, तो उनको चलने में टाइम लगता है, ठीक है?
तो वो बुढ़े धीरे पानी ला रहे हैं.
And next she said that let me. Yes, I am. So फिर next thing she said that Air India flights are cheaper. That is completely wrong. Indigo is the cheapest flights in India. Hold on.
Indigo has cheaper flights, but her point about the food.
They're compensating, okay? They're giving cheaper flights. They're charging you for the food. Air India, at the same time, they're taking the money. Even if you don't want the food, they're taking the money ahead.
Next call किसको जाना है इसमें? Go, sir. What's your point? Raise a new point.
I have four points for you, 1-1.
अरे बहन
So, okay. So the first point, Air India is still the widest network in the country. They fly to almost every destination. I can prove it to you right now if you want.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, hold on. There's more. There's more where that came from. Secondly, of course, now Vistara is combined with Air India, so you'll see younger air hostesses, which will suit you better. Number 2.
Yeah.
Number 3, if you're a smart booker, you will get Air India for the cheapest cost ever. Plus, plus you have Miles, plus Indigo stretch is shit, plus the worst fucking cabin music ever.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Too many points.
Let
Guys.
now for each of your points. If you don't like the music, that's a you problem. Wear earphones. Okay.
Sure, yeah, let's go. Yeah. Like pasand?
Hold on.
You have to have the money for fucking cotton plugs.
Yeah. And about the flights, the widest network, at least Indigo reaches wherever it starts to go to.
Yeah. We fly small, but we fly at least. We at least reach. We reach the destination.
फिर about the Vistara crew members, I told you it's not about the crew, it's about the response time. They're quick. It's not about the age, it's about how quick they are.
Sir has gone very strong. Appreciate that. जोरदार तालियां sir के लिए. We have one last point. We will go. अगर if somebody gets a very strong point, one last point, ma'am, go for it quickly. And sir, you have to defend that. Go.
I think Air India has a prestige value and Indigo is still known as a budget flight to have. Air India comes with your own lounges. Air India comes with business class. Air India comes with international flying. Air India comes with points. And these are all the things that are missing in Indigo. As a flyer, you would want to go up in life. You will upgrade. And an upgrade...
लेकिन अब जो up ना हो जाए ना वो बात तो है कि
Exactly.
अगर आप up जा रहे हैं तो up ही ना हो जाए. But ठीक है, we get the idea कि वो जाना ही है. वो एयर फ्रांस भी अप ही गया, तो कोई भी कहीं भी जाता है. But you are saying कि उसमें इतना कुछ options है अब जाने के लिए, तो आपको वो अच्छा लगा कि मैं एकदम लग्जरी में मर जाऊं. आपको है कि लग्जरी ऑप्शन
मरना ही है तो लग्जरी में ही
मरो. क्यों एकदम रोल्स रॉयस में मरो,
भिखारी बन के क्यों बनना है?
क्यों मरो? See, she is saying there is a lot of options, luxury, business class, ये वो.
Indigo is solving the problem of mass transport. सबको अगर फ्लाइट में जाना है सबको जाने दे रहा है. It's not restricting people to the higher class and all.
एयर इंडिया ने मल्टीपल सेक्टर बनाए अपने. इंडिगो एक ही सेक्टर में गरीबों को सर्व कर रहा है. वो मल्टीपल क्यों नहीं जा पा रहा? एक्सपेंशन क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा?
See, it's a choice, okay. They're not.
It's her choice.
Yeah, so it's Indigo's choice. At the same time, it's Indigo's choice. They're making more profits and they're more on time. They're at least reaching the place they want to go.
समझ गया तेरा point वही है ultimately.
That's the biggest point. Life is the
All
most
right, we
expensive.
end this debate here. Thank you so much. जोरदार तालियां सबके लिए. Pretty intense debate. Best debater clearly sir and him on pro and opposition. We will have to take a voting based on who was able to get better points. You will get your chance. Show of hands से रहेगा. How many of you all think he wins this debate? Show of hands. Okay. How many of you all think sir wins the debate? Okay, sir. जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए. I'm saying winner यही है, लेकिन जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए. जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए. Sir, really, you are almost in his ass. Almost there. बट फिर इसने बोला कि अरे बुढ़े भी आके आ जाएंगे तो चलेगा ना यार, बुढ़े भाग लो ना यार. इसने लाया पॉइंट अच्छा, तो ही वाज एबल टू गेट दैट शिट. जोरदार तालियां मेरे भाई के लिए. ब्रदर, यू विन 500 रुपीस. वेल डिबेटेड.